Flash storage for PC like SSD and NVMe are getting common and accessible. On my hands here is the XPG SX8200 Pro from Adata. This is a 256GB that offer up to 1100 MB per second writing speed. And if you have budget, you can consider the 512GB that can offer up to 1700 MB per second. One thing in common between the 256GB and the 512, it has the same high reading speed of up to 3200 MB per second. Here I'll be showing you unboxings and installations. The installation is pretty simple by slotting it onto the NVMe slot and secure it with a screw. Clone your existing Windows onto it, or you can have a fresh installation. Here's a crystal mark test result. Personally, the writing speed of the 256GB is more than enough if you have a budget constraint. I'm quite impressed with the transfer speed. It's consistent and stable. So if you plan to get a budget gaming for editing rigs, I would suggest you to go for the NVMe SSD. The NVMe price now is very competitive and is very close with the 2.5-inch SSDs that has bottleneck up to 600 MB per second. The window bootings, gamings and application may not have significant improvement, but you can beneficial by using it as a scratch disk for video editing. For storage, you may opt for an inexpensive yet durable CCTV mechanical drive. There are more high-speed external drives that require high-speed transfer rate like the Transcend SD350 that I have right now. You can get the Adata XPG SX8200 Pro from Unet Computer for 279GB with storage option up to 2TB. The link will be in the description below. So what type of storage you are using right now? Do share your comments down below. Click the thumb up if you like this video, sub and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.